Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jergel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, hey girl, I'm excited to have you here. Life is all about embracing your beauty and having fun with makeup. Today I'm going to bring you guys a special haul of some stunning pink lip glosses that are perfect for our melanin queen. These shades will have you glowing and popping no matter the occasion. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so first on the list is going to be the brand Summer Fridays, and this is in the shade Pink Cloud. You guys, just look at that beautiful packaging. I've heard so many great things about this one, especially how it complements deeper skin tones. It's supposed to give you the effortless shine while keeping your lips hydrated. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Now I paired this one with a Limitless Brown lip gloss. Now do you guys see how beautiful this particular lip gloss looks? Summer Fridays has been known for just like their hydrating formulas, and I often use their lip balms for myself, so I feel like this lip gloss is just like the perfect duo to be able to wear during any occasion. I love how it feels lightweight yet moisturizing for my lip. This is definitely one of those lip glosses that you can wear every single day. It's perfect for casual occasions and also for glam. I'm a simple girl, so I don't really like too bold of lips, and I feel like this is like that perfect happy medium by giving me the nice pinky lip that I want while also not being too much. Let's go ahead and get to the next look. Alright, so next up we have Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Fussy. I really love this one because do you guys see the shimmer on this one? This one has a lot of shimmer, which I'm super excited about. This is perfect for a night out or when you want to just add a little extra sparkle to your look. So let's go ahead and swatch it. Wow, this shade is just absolutely beautiful. I honestly have it on my lips right now. It's not too much, but it definitely catches the light and gives your lips that nice like luminous look, which I absolutely love. I feel like this shade is a showstopper for sure. The pigment isn't too much on this lip gloss, which is what I really love, and it's also not really sticky, which is also a plus for me. And then paired with my Limitless Brown lip liner, I feel like it looks amazing. Okay, so the next shade that we have is by Too Faced, and it is the Lip Injection Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Wifey for Lifey. Now I feel like this lip gloss definitely gives you the nice plumpy feel that you want, and then again it is a nice sheer pink as well, which is what I truly love. One thing I will say about this lip gloss is that once you put this lip gloss on, you instantly feel the pumping activating onto your lips, so it definitely gives your lips like that nice like it doesn't make your lips feel like too full, but you definitely feel that pumping sensation. It just gives your lips like a nice little perk. That's about it. You guys see the way that this looks on my lips. I absolutely love this. Again, a nice sheer pinky nude type of situation, and I really wanted this again just to be able to have some type of nude type of looks. I really have been loving like the pink and brown combos as of late, and then I really love that these lip glosses are nice and sheer, so again it's not too much for my lips, and it still looks really good. All right, so there you have my top 3 lip glosses that are perfect for enhancing our gorgeous darker skin tones. I hope you found some inspiration for your next beauty haul. If you like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. More beauty content curated just for you. Let me know down in the comments which shade you're most excited to try, or if you have any gloss recommendations yourself. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.